Test 54C is the ice mold heater test. To start this interactive test, press the on-off pad to activate the heater. The heater will turn off automatically after 60 seconds. Pressing the on-off key again will turn the heater off. The freezer display shows the heater's current status and displays the ice mold thermistor temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. When diagnosing during the test, press the on-off pad to toggle the heater to an on state. The heater will power off after 60 seconds automatically. Is the heater warming up and is the display showing a temperature increase? If the heater is, then it is in good working order and the test is complete. If the heater is not warming up, unplug the 9-pin connector at the ice maker cabinet wall and restart Test 54C. Check for 110 volts on the cabinet side connector across pin 4 and pin 8. If there is voltage present, check for 80 to 100 ohms on the heater side connector across pin 4 and pin 8. If the resistance is within range, inspect and repair the 9-pin connector for any damage. If the resistance is not within range, replace the ice mold assembly. After either step, reconnect the 9-pin connector and then power on the unit if unplugged and re-enter Test 54C. If voltage was not present from pin 4 to pin 8, reconnect the inline connector and restart Test 54C and check for voltage at the ice maker board across J4-11 and J4-8. If voltage is present, use an ohm meter to inspect the harness and connections for bad wires and terminals. If there is low resistance, check for water in connectors or damaged wires. If there is high resistance, check for loose wires or bad connections. Then power on the unit if unplugged and re-enter Test 54C. If voltage was not present between J4-11 and J4-8, unplug the unit and inspect the glass fuses F2 and F3 on the ice maker board. If one of the fuses is blown, disconnect the J4 high power plug from the ice maker board and use a meter to check for a short to ground on the heater circuit or to check for the heater to be shorted internally. Check for water in connectors or damaged wires as well. Replace the ice maker board when all checks and repairs have been made. If a fuse did not blow, the ice maker board still needs to be replaced. Reconnect the J4 connection to the ice maker board. Power on the unit if unplugged and re-enter Test 54C.